Okay, so really sounds friendly, doesn't it? Not. Let's go to channel 31, to Mega Chippie channel. So if you saw this repair video, this is a set which had been converted to 10 meters. I don't know that it ever worked on 10 meters. They'd also altered the squelch. They'd also put a crystal filter in, which I've had to reverse because it was the wrong filter and it was all distorted. But that aside, it's doing about 3.8 watts. They managed to burn out 2 coils in the transmitter's earlier stages. I just don't know what they've done, but anyway, we sorted that out. So it should be a really good set, because these use the high-end chassis. These use it's Cybernet 134 still, but they've got the bigger filter and they've got the extra receive stage that you get on the York 863, Rotel 240, Harrier 420M, Harrier CBX. So it's not the lower chassis which you'd normally think, like Rotel 220 and Binatone Speedway. You think, oh, it's only got a couple of knobs, so it's a rubbish set. It isn't. It's a very high-end set. So here we go, and this one's going on eBay. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie. I haven't done the meter lamp yet.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Yeah, Roger, I'm ready.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger, Dodger. So I haven't put the lids on because I still have the meter lamp to do, but we needed to get this test under our belt, otherwise there wouldn't be an opportunity until Monday, and I want to get a customer repair set. There's a Kerno in for repair. I think it's a 4100.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio there's no tone control.
Roger.
Well, that's the record stop cleaning.
Right, a lot of traffic up here because I think they've just had the fireworks.
Oh well, yes, it's bonfire at the place up the road. Yep.
Roger. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station, 136.9, 139.9. It's funny how they're open with all this foot traffic and traffic.
Yeah, I think it opens when they think there's a pound sign at the end of it.
Yeah, roger that. Whoa, try not to run all these people over, walking in the middle of the road.
Roger, are they all going across for some sweets?
No, there's a lot of people parked where they probably wouldn't normally park, like in the on the verge near Chippie, where the LCC depot is.
Oh, they all got the torches up Tango Tires Lane?
Yeah, and there's kids with rainbow, whatever they are, buttons.
Oh, they're clapping for the NHS there.
Yeah, probably. Well, I'd say we're square-wheeled, but not quite, but there's a lot of traffic.
Roger, diddly dodger.
Yeah. People doing 3-point turns in the road, you know.
Roger, dodger.
Right, I reckon we're square-wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, dodger.
hill. Let's go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Chippie, we're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear. Go round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on it.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on an SMC Oscar 1, using the Cybernet 134 chassis balance 1981, and doing about 3.8 watts, using a standard replacement mic. Over.
Yep, roger that, all received.
Roger, Doctor.
Level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilson level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn.
We've got you at the Kelby turn.
Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. Time on this. SMC Oscar 1 from 1981 using Cybernet 134 chassis, and it's the enhanced version with the extra filter and extra stage. So I'm on a standard replacement coffin microphone, and the radio is doing about 3.8 watts and drawing 980 milliamps. Part of that lower power consumption is the meter lamp's not yet working on this radio. So we'll go over to low power, which is set for 400 milliwatts. Here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and there we are on 400 milliwatts, and the radio is now showing 380 milliamps in current consumption. We'll go back to full power, and there we are back on full power over.
Yep, roger, no problem on full power, no problem on low power.
Well, there you go, off you go when you're ready.
Roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over. Yep, 136.9, 139.7.
Right, well that's worked really well indeed from my end, and I'll say 10-10, and then you've got a mission to do on the way back. If you'd like to radio me when you've completed that mission, please.
Yep, roger, will do. 10-10.
Okay.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rotel level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby Level Crossing. Do you have a petrol price for me at that end today, please, over?
Yep, 136.9, 139.7.
Right, well that's worked really well indeed from my end, and I'll say 10-10, and then you've got a mission to do on the way back, and if you'd like to radio me when you've completed that mission, please, over.
Yep, roger, will do. 10-10.
10-10. Right, well that worked absolutely super duper. I'll get that meter bulb attended to, and we'll stick a case on it. That's a set that can go on eBay with that brand new microphone. And we will go through to our base station, which of course uses the same enhanced Cybernet 134 chassis, which is the Midland 76900. See what it sounds like.
Tango 21 testing the SMC Oscar 1 was the standard replacement mic into our Midland 76900 base station, and we'll go on to low power, which is set for 400 milliwatts just as a ham test. Here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we are on low